Let's read the book Living or Non-Living. So what is living and what is non-living? It's alive. Think about the world around you. How do you know if something is alive? If it needs food, water, and air to survive, it is a living thing. So if it needs food, water, and air, then it is alive. Let's think of things that would be alive. What's for dinner? Living things need food to make energy. A pig eats slop. It must be living. So if a pig eats, then it's alive. Something that eats is alive. Plants are living too. They make their own food with a little help from the sun. Daisies use energy from the sun to make food. So the plants also eat. We don't see them eating, but they use the sun to eat. Do you feed a computer? If it doesn't need food to survive, it's not living. So is the computer living? No, because it doesn't need any food. Doesn't need air. Doesn't need an air. Take a deep breath. People are living things and need air to breathe. Does a rock breathe? It must be non-living. Are you thirsty? It needs water. If it's a living thing, it needs water. Water helps things stay healthy. So, do people need water? Do plants need water? Yes, they're alive. Do animals need water? They're alive too. A horse drinks water. It must be living. A horse drinks water, a horse eats food, and a horse needs air. A bicycle doesn't drink water. It must be non-living. Does a bicycle need water or food? Does it move? Living things can move. Some living things hop, skip, or run. Plants move too. They turn to face the sun, and they open their flowers to bloom. So it doesn't always look how the plants are moving, but they do. They make sure to turn up to the sun, their buds. And people can move, and animals can move too. A book cannot move on its own. Must be not living. Can you pick which things are living and which things are non-living? So let's look at that. Are the shovels living or non-living? They don't need water or air or food. They must be not living. But what about this tree? Ooh, does the tree need water and air? And it can move. It goes towards the sun so that it can get its food. Oh, what about paint? Is paint living? No, because it doesn't need air or food or water. What about a ball? Is a ball living? No, because it doesn't need air, it doesn't need food, and it doesn't need water. But what about a turtle? Is a turtle living? Does it need air? Doesn't need water? Doesn't need food? Yes, a turtle is living. And what about a puppy? Can a puppy move? Does a puppy eat and drink? Yes, a puppy is living. The end to the book Living or Non-Living.